Welcome back to the new video of Trend Hub. The IS Class, the 8th generation of luxury cars, is slated for 2026, following the tradition of the trend-setting Sonderklasse line, which has been produced since the 1950s. This new model will feature a more aerodynamic and aggressive exterior facelift, with a wider and more imposing grille overlay, a new generation headlight surround, and a new, more sharply defined taillight bar with LED illumination. They are likely to increase the dimensions of the lower air intake and decrease the size of side vents so that the front bumper acquires a new look of sportiness. Additional wheel options will be larger and selected exterior components done in black to give the S-Class a contemporary and athletic appeal. As always, Mercedes-Benz's engineers under the hood have described the possibility to cater for a stylistically varied engine offering with fully loaded mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid solutions, coupled with V8 and possibly V12 power units. These powertrains will probably receive one step up at a time to the existing levels of power and fuel efficiency to get a car that offers refined and sporty performance. In the following years, Mercedes-Benz will endeavor to innovate ever further the concept of luxuriously performing automobiles, proposing, as usual, various engine solutions, from pure, environmentally minded options to powerful or exciting ones. Interior. In the 2026 S-Class, Mercedes-Benz will give the car its most extensive technological upgrade, which includes a beautifully large, full-width LED screen in place of the previously centrally positioned portrait display. This high-tech screen will stretch from one edge of the dashboard to the other to give a cockpit-like feel. This tech-enhanced change will be supported by a new steering wheel design and new interior colors. The S-Class will retain its luxurious feel with high-quality materials and exquisite construction. Do not be surprised if the cabin becomes comfortable, giving features such as massage and heating seats, better noise control, and adjustable interior illumination. With regard to technology expected in the 2026 S-Class, enhanced semi-autonomous technology is expected to be incorporated. Adaptive suspension will always provide better handling while improving on lane-keeping assist, and automated parking will give a better ride experience, while infotainment will provide better smartphone integration, voice commands, and even simpler usability. The concentration of personalization and state-of-the-art convenience will ensure that the S-Class continues to be a leader in luxury advancement. The production versions of the new Mercedes-Benz S-Class are likely to be priced from $115,000 for the basic models, increasing to more than $200,000 for the high-end AMG and Maybach models, depending on additional options chosen by the customers. The facelifted S-Class should be launched before the end of 2025, with the test mules likely to hit dealers in early 2026. Forget about all previous Mercedes-Benz S-Class models. The 2026 S-Class will be revolutionized by an elegant external appearance, a fully tech-oriented interior, and powerful engines all at once. Like my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates on cars.